How's it going, everybody? Well, I have to repair my vehicle, and it was 916 and 97 cents, and it was for the control arms. Uh, just remember that it's 2015, 2016, so it's about 10 years. I figured this is about time. So with this, it will give me 10 more years, give and take. That being said, this is one of the expensive repairs. The next ones I have to change is just the rotors. They are original, and again another 10 years. That'll be 556, maybe in a couple of months, maybe next month or 2 months from now. But yeah, that's pretty much. I still have the original alternator, original AC, everything else is original. This is actually the repair that I have, so that tells you that the little vehicle is pretty much a workhorse. All right, guys, let you go, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.